have a pulley setup where it's hooked up to 2 motors and fishing line that's attached to a platform. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to lift up these objects with the motors and the pulley setup using a remote control. So here you can see that we're easily able to let the motors let out slack and leave the platform going down. But when we try to lift up these objects by pressing the up button, you hear that the motors lock up, meaning that they're not powerful enough to lift up the weight of these objects. So what we're going to do now is we're going to observe how we can enable these motors to lift up these objects by way of mechanical advantage of pulleys. So we're going to add in these pulleys here. Let out slack going to the bottom. And then adding the objects, the same objects, back onto the platform. So now we're going to try to lift it up using the pulleys. So here you can see that the motors are actually able to lift up these objects, which they would otherwise be unable to lift up without the use of pulleys. And now we see mechanical advantage.